Hi everyone, welcome to a new bullet journal video. Today I'm going to do some bullet journaling for May, but first I'm going to flip through my April pages. So as you can see, I filled out all of my pages and I managed to fix the problem of having 5 weeks by adding a brainstorm / ID spread on the right side here. With ideas for things that I can bake, because I've been baking a lot. I used to like baking a lot as a kid, and I kind of got back into it since I graduated, and I have had some more time. So I thought it was a nice idea to keep a list of things maybe I can try or things I have tried. So before we start with the May pages, I am going to make some final review pages for April, as I always do. So on the left side, I am going to make a memories page, and I'm just going to add some decorations similar to what I've used throughout this month. So this pink washi tape and some yellow stickers. And then on the right side, I am going to do a review page. And for the review, I use 4 categories, which is mental health, lifestyle, career and education, and creative expression. I'm not sure if these 4 categories are still the ones that make the most sense, but I'm also not sure what I would change them to, so maybe in the future I'll think about it a little, but for now these work best for me. And we're already done with the April pages, so I'm going to start with my May pages. Last week I ordered a bunch of stickers from Etsy from a few different shops, and unfortunately the stickers didn't arrive in time for me to use them in this video, but you'll probably see them next month. But for now I just had to delve into my current sticker stack, which is okay because these stickers are also quite nice, but all of the stickers that I have now are from the same shop, and they are all quite similar in color and tone, I guess. So yeah, I kind of want to switch it up a little and use some different colors. But that being said, I really like how the spread for May is going to turn out, as you will see in a bit. I also have these stickers, which is like a set of 2 sheets, and one is the plants and the other sheet is like the pots that you can put them in. And I hadn't used these before. I've had them for a while, but basically the idea is that you can combine the plant that you want in the pot that you want, and it's like a really fun concept, but I've been a bit hesitant to use these stickers because I thought that there would be like a white outline along the sticker and it wouldn't look so nice, kind of like the sticker that is on my bullet journal right now. But I noticed after I put them down, which you will see in a bit, that there's like no outline, so the way the stickers are cut is like really neatly right on like the outline of the actual drawing, and it looks really nice. So yeah, that's a really cool concept, and I'm definitely going to use them a bit more now that I discovered that they actually look really nice when you put them together. So for my May spread, I chose this deep green color, which is really nice, and it fits the whole plant theme that we're going with this month. Usually I write all of the titles and everything in pencil, and now I did it in a marker, so it's a bit more heavy, but I kind of like how it turned out. For a very long time I wasn't really using stickers in my bullet journal, so yeah, now you can see I'm going to use the sticker combination. By the way, this is kind of difficult if you're someone like me who gets very indecisive about stickers, because it's not just one sticker that you have to decide on using, but a combination of two, which I spend a lot of my decision process. I cut most of it out because it took a long time. So in the video it looks like I just pick a sticker and put it on the page, but that's not what it's like in real life. I spent way too much time thinking about it. I don't know if anyone else does this. Probably someone does. But if you do, please tell me in the comments and validate my sticker anxieties. But anyway, what I was going to say is that I didn't used to use stickers in my bullet journal that much, because I didn't really have a lot of stickers, and then I started buying some from Etsy shops basically, and it has made my whole bullet journaling experience a lot more chill, I think, because I used to like try to find like paper cutouts from cards I was keeping or magazines, or like be very artistic about it, and like, or I used to print out a lot of pictures and then put them in my bullet journal, but it took a lot of time, and with the stickers it's so low effort to make your bullet journal look nice, and it has made me more comfortable with bullet journaling, I think, because definitely since I started making videos, sometimes I could feel a bit pressured to make my next monthly spread, and I would kind of put it off, as you might notice if you look at like the publication dates of when I posted certain videos. Sometimes I didn't make my next spread until like the first week of the month was already over, but now that I have the stickers, it's all goes a lot faster, and it doesn't feel like I don't feel that much pressure anymore to make it look nice, because it's easy to make it look nice with the stickers. I'm getting very existential about stickers, but anyway, it's nice to have a bullet journal that doesn't need to be so high effort, but it can still look nice. So here again I am using the combination stickers, and again I spent a lot of time worrying if I chose the right plant, and again I cut out most of my decision process, but I really like how this turned out. What's also nice about it is that because it's two stickers that you stick on top of each other, it's kind of like a relief, which is cool. So for the quote, I took this quote which says, life is too long to not do what you love, which is actually something that my physiotherapist told me, because I've been going to physiotherapy because I get tension headaches, and I was talking to her about how since I've stopped studying, or since I've graduated and started working, a lot of the things that I used to enjoy as a kid have kind of come back to me. Like I started sewing again, or not really again, but when I was little I wanted to be a fashion designer, and I made these clothes for my dolls and stuff, and now I've started making my own clothes like a year ago, and I've also been reading a lot more and baking a lot more and doing all of these things that I used to enjoy when I was younger. And when I went to university I didn't really have that much time for them anymore. So basically I was talking to her about that, and she said that, you know, the things that you love and enjoy have a way of coming back to you, even if you don't, if you spend some time not doing them. And I found it really interesting that she said life is too long to not do what you love instead of too short. Thought that was a very hopeful way of phrasing it. So yeah, I thought it was nice and I wrote it down. I'm not really talking about the bullet journal spread. I think we're done actually. So this is my weekly spread. It's the same I do every month. and I'm just adding some little hearts and doodles around the pages. And that's everything for this month. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!